In this video, we're going to be talking about how to reset a forgotten TikTok password. So let's just get straight into the video. So
Here's
if you
how
are already logged in into your account, then you can simply click on the top right triple lines icon and click on settings and privacy, and then head into your password. So into accounts, password, and change your password right over here. But if you don't have the login access, so let me just go ahead and log out for you real quick.
to create YouTube.
And now if I want to simply go ahead and reset my password, all I'm going to do is simply go ahead and click on login. And now all I need to do is simply go ahead and enter my username or email. And once I've done that, I can simply go ahead and click on continue. So let me just go ahead and do that real quick. And now if I forgot the password, I'm going to tap on need help logging in and click on reset password with phone or email or whatever you want, and they'll send you a verification code. Enter that verification code back into the application and you'll be logged in. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have any more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.